What is the biggest mistake people make when buying their first Japanese knife? Today I'm going to show you how a professional chef chooses the perfect one. Let's check KUTO by Keisuke-san.
Hi, so you came here to buy your first chef knife. First, what you have to be careful is you need to know what's the shape of the knife. So the first choice for everybody is Santoku knife. Santoku knife is a three-purpose knife. It's good for all purpose, using for professional and home as well. But if you want to go more on chef knives, this is the chef knife. We call it Gyuto in Japanese. The Gyuto, it's a chef knife, and this is a good one to use it in a professional kitchen. And of course, if you want to be professional in your home, you can use this ones. And this, by the handles, this is more European style. And we have Japanese style handles as well. So the first thing you have to think about what to buy is the shape, the steel, and the handle. Of course, how you feel is very important. Most expensive knife, we have the tuna knife. And for beginners or the entry levels, we have this chef knife from Seki Maguro. This is 200 dirhams. So anybody who wants to buy something starting, it will be good.
They will come, they will come. Like the sun, like the sun. They will be, wow, they will be everything, everything. When you put it out there and it's pure. It's pure. Can't ask for anything more. Anything more. Want to do this for you wholeheartedly.
Walking into KUTO feels like stepping into Tokyo's famous Kappabashi Kitchen Town, right here in Dubai. Every chef's dream starts here.
They will come, they will come.
Next, I'll show you how professional chefs keep their knives razor sharp. Subscribe to Chef Moon before you buy your next kitchen tool.